Good morning, papunta na kami sa Punta Arenas, Costa Rica. Guys, ganito yung panahon. Yan dyan ay isla yan. So, nag-ulan ngayon. Expected naman, mga 8 o'clock ay darating na kami doon. So, good luck sa amuang day. Ganito ang panahon. Malapit na ata lalabas yung sunrise. Lumalabas na yung sunrise. Ang ganda niya. Diyan pala siya lalabas. Huminto na rin yung ulan. Ganito ang itsura niya. Good morning from Puerto Arenas. So schön. Gell? Yes. Ganito yung sunrise na dito sa Puerto Arenas, Costa Rica, guys. Pero nasa barko pa kami, sa barko namin. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Pero pag lumabas na talaga siya, mga lunch, ay nako, ang init-init niya. Pero ngayon, araw, ay happy ako kasi may lunch ang excursion namin. Meron daw lunch with coffee. Ang excursion namin ngayon, guys, kay dadalawin namin ang coffee plantation. Kasi masarap daw yung coffee dito. So, enjoy. So, dito kami mag-stay ng whole day. Diyan i-anchor ang barko namin. Hindi pa kami naka-fix. So, ganito yung view niya dito sa Puerto Arena. Medyo hindi masyadong clear ngayon yung panahon. Okay lang. Hindi masyadong mainit.
¡Pura vida, mae! ¡Buenos días! ¡Bienvenidos, bienvenidas!
There in the landscape, this is the National Park, Carrara, to the National Park. But in special, this town name only 1 hour.
At this point, thank you, sir. Qué pena, dicho. Use coffee, and we export coffee to all the world, right? And especially 100% coffee. Only 2 whites. At this national park,
Kasi siya
we see a
gakay-close.
river. This is Carrara. Carrara.
Even o
They are,
Carrara.
this part protects special discarded accounts. But they have some gaps.
Diyan, Andre, sige Hugel na. Oh, yeah.
Okay, check here. Now it's dry. No water, few water, because big dam is closed here, and they twice a day they make electricity. But this is the Tarcolet River.
Ja. Aber sie kann nicht schön aus. Sweet.
Überall Bergbikes, liegt auch.
Ja, ja.
Keine Ahnung. Irgendwo waren sie.
sila dito. Yung farm nila parang Pilipinas.
Slöt 24 månader. Marknaden för realen. Jag ska inte arbeta. Billigare än det.
Take shot.
Jag var också
Ano ni? So there's coffee kit. It was, and it was just a strip out. Yan sa garang banana.
Ja, men så fyller flera sitter i så fyller
Red beans.
işte daha yine vermeniz kalmış da. Daha yine de açsam fosaya nettiydi. Nette diye bakı gibi.
Okay, guys, in the left side, we have the beautiful view of the capital of Costa Rica, San Jose.
Yes, baba.
This one is. In the back,
Daha yine.
the back, San Jose.
Ja, ja.
Yes. The capital of Costa Rica, San Jose. We are going up to the temperature and volcanic soils.
Yan, Allah, so bubbles.
Volcanic soils. We have a lot of volcanic soils here.
Coffee plants. Nice. This Alice
And
coffee.
the red side again, the capital of Costa Rica,
It's oddly.
Lucas. Coas volcano. If you read Google, it's one of the more bigger craters in America. The second one. The second one crater in America. 1.5 miles. Volcán Coas.
Som sa ik.
Coas. Coas
Yeah.
is a word for idioma Nahuatl. And I mean,
There's a lot
it's
of coffee plantation here, guys.
a special word for birds, right? The birds breathing out. The reading is
This is Alice coffee, look.
Alles kaffe.
Yeah.
Ja,
Ha.
men det är mal kaffe.
Ang dami nilang monster. It's very expensive. No. Ito yung pangalan ng asyenda nila. Hacienda Doca. Ang ganda ng bumbil nila. Ang ganda ng monstera nila. So, enjoy the day.
Families, and we went because me and my brothers, my mom, my dad, we're together. Like, I feel
Yung shop nila. Ang asyenda nila. Mag-tour kami ngayon. Ang ganda ng paligid, guys. May shop din sila. Pwede kang mag inom-inom ng coffee. Ito yung lunch nila. coffee plant, coffee tree. Kada kape may pangalan. Kaya na. Coffee Arabica. Yes. Tipicam Lima.
Coffee. This is a coffee berry or cherry. Red when the skin. Actually, if I squeeze it, inside they have two seeds, right? And this is the sun-dried
Meron
body
din silang ganitong
with machine,
halaman.
right? To dry. We need to reduce the humidity to 12%. And 12% humidity. Oh, this is not good. Yeah. They like this with this support here. They put here, and actually, they usually use. I had another basket, two baskets, right? Like this.
This is 12 kilo. Then.
Things. The green ones will be in the tree till they be ripe. Remember, we not compete by Arabica, nor Robustas. Because in Arabica, we guarantee quality and the same aroma and flavor. The caffeine was great, man. Now it's difficult because our new generation say, no vacation, beach. But in Europe, we can use machine. We can use machine.
3 to 5 years, guys. The first harvest sa coffee niya is 3 years, galing sa pagtanim. Ang the best is 5 years. Ang galing-galing. Pwede naman ito sa atin, meron naman ito sa amin noon. Kaya lang hindi marunong mag-maintain yung mga farmer. Kasi may mga pangalan yung mga tree nila. Coffee tree may mga pangalan. Iba-iba yung pangalan. Kung ilang tasa ng coffee na ka-drawing dyan, yan yung quality nila. Pero hindi ko pa ito nakita sa atin. Iba yung class yung coffee natin.
Here produce a lot of coffee. Questions. Immediately. And to see how they process. We go to the wet mill to see how we process.
Ini-explain niya talaga kung ano ang quality, kung paano ang quality, paano mag-harvest. So nice, bumbil. Ganito yung area nila. Ang ganda, guys. May nag-maintenance kasi may maintenance sila. So, ang ganda, ang ganda. Kasi dito sa kanila, importante ang quality. Marami din silang bird of paradise. Meron silang bulaklak na ganito. Iba din ito kaysa blue tornata. Dami rin nilang bulaklak. Meron din ito sa Pinas. Ganito. Itong bulaklak, guys, meron din ito sa atin. Meron silang million flower yung tawag ata nito sa atin.
And depends how many of those they pay.
Gumagawa sila ng coffee dito. Ginigiling nila.
Depend how many departments. You know, peeling, parades like a Oscar parade.
Ito yung machine nila kung saan dumadaan yung tubig.
Water. Really important to water. Okay, perfect. Today is 10. We have many wet mills of today. They use energy. This pipe, yeah? When pipes, we move forward. Engineer with overhand.
Ito na yung beans nila.
Okay.
Ito yung machine nila.
After to peel, we need to select first by density, by sizes, and by color. Actually, in this here, in the big size, coffee
Now
can
just
take
make me-
6 months.
Tapos mo
But
sila.
in the sacks too, 6 months. Before to roast, when you roast the coffee, this is
Meron pa silang mga sakong ganito, guys.
and then I want
Dito
you
sa
to
loob
have
yung
idea,
coffee.
this is the roots of coffee. It's a really good point to go to the patios. See that we export coffee to Europe, to all the world. We export coffee in your country, Germany, and by Ili. You know Ili? Ili.
This is
After
40
30
fiat
years,
kilo.
they lost density.
Dito in
That's why we
Europa.
need to remove. What they do, for example,
Pwede
they
ganyan.
divide
Ili.
the farm in
Deutschland.
30.
Aber
And every year they
original
remove
from
an special area. That's why in theory,
mag-dry sila silang coffee. Dito sila mag-dry ng coffee nila. Parehas lang man din sa Pilipinas ang proseso. Parang palay lang.
okay?
Ito yung first step. Nandiyan pa ang ano nila, skin.
Here for about 6 or 7 days. Now it's not raining. But we need to rake it every 1 or 2 hours. And the nights.
Nandito na yung coffee sa loob, guys. Dry na siya. Grabe yung proseso. Ganda ng panahon, may hangin-hangin. Hindi pa ako makaget over nitong bulaklak na to. Kasi ang ganda.
What we saw in the process. Is on 2.5% coffee, 97.7%. You go to lunch, and now.
Ang daming explanation, guys, tungkol sa coffee na hindi natin nalaman kung paano. Basta sa atin inulan tayo ng coffee, pero hindi pala talaga siya coffee. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Wide lang yan sa atin, guys. Ito yung bird of paradise. Yan, sa tabi-tabi lang yan ng ilog. Simbolo nila.
Okay, guys. Okay. Number one. How was the tour?
Good.
Like it?
Yeah.
By the way, if you have another question about this, I'm gonna be 1 hour to 2 hours more.
I have a wish. Can we stop somewhere where
Yeah.
we can make a nice picture from the volcano?
Yeah, we actually the next step. Very nice. Yeah? I prepared morning. This is typical Costa Rican. Actually, we breakfast rice and beans mixed with cilantro, onion, pepper, tortilla, eggs, coffee. We lunch rice and beans, meat, salads, and something there. If we breakfast rice and beans, right? With the coffee.
Mir gefällt einfach die Grüne da. Wirklich.
That's a bit. That's a Chibona.
Ja, ja.
Check the control. There's the pruning.
Dito is de bonen. Zo is de koffie.
Büs, that's my go. Dat is de streep.
Een paar had ik gezien.
Ja.
Schöne Pflanze da. So nice plant. Die Palme. Wow. There's really more coffee. What they plant here. Pero tinikman ko yung coffee nila, guys. Hindi naman masyadong kape talaga. Pero ang sabi nila, yung the best daw ng kape dito. This kleine zee daar.
Coffee, they plan to produce tomatoes, tomates. To Greece. Yeah, and arrive to here. It's a nice history. They transport by ox carts from the Muelle.
Ganda ng garden nila, guys. Ganda ng arrange. Ang dami nilang cactus dito. Ganda. Yeah. Ganito guys. Ang daming klaseng cactus. Ang dami nilang mga bulaklak. Meron din yan sa atin sa Pinas. Itong flower na to. Naganda lang talaga nila yung arrangement. Ganda ng ano. Parang mosaic siya. Gusto ko makita yung mga birds. Kasi marami daw birds. Ah, andito yung mga birds. Wow. Ang ganda. Kasi gusto ko yung arrange nila. Yung kakao. Ang dami namang bunga ang kakao na yan. Ito yung ano, monstera. Na noong pandemic ang mahal. Meron silang peacock. May playground sila. Sarchi. Nakasulat na Sarchi. Butterfly. Ay, may horse sila. Butterfly na duyan. Magduyan na lang tayo mag-isa dahil hindi ko makita yung kasama ko. Butterfly yan guys. Yung iring-iring or baho-baho sa atin. Andito siya. Naka-arrange talaga siya. Ang ganda tingnan kasi iba-iba yung kulay. Nagtanim din ako dyan. Ewan ko kung namulaklak na ba. Meron silang pula nga palmera. May coffee din sila. Ganda namang oy, meron kaming ano dito noon. Yung lusong man ang tawag namin yan. Ang ganda ng mga furniture nila. Mga ano, kahoy. Tapos ang ganda ng mga painting. Parang kalesa. Ang ganda ng mga ano guys. Decor nila. Ito nga, souvenir nila. Ganda-ganda. Gustong gusto ko. Kaya lang, mahirap naman siya bilihin. Saan mo naman yan ilagay? Alam mo yung kalesa sa Basilan noon, ganyan lang sa sinasakyan, walang jeep noon, walang car noon. Kabayo lang. Ginawa naman nilang maganda. Ito yung center ng Sarchi. Wala nang ibang magawa dito kung hindi souvenir. Yeah. Comidas, das ist Essegal Comidas. Laupe und Luaga. Ewan ko kung saan yung ano na yan, na vulkan na yan, hindi ko makita.
Because some of yours, John, if we are going to pass there, it's just a little bit because they want next to front too.
Ja, det är
See?
halvvägs upp för vattnet.
The bigger oxter in the world.
Ja, halvvägs över upp för vattnet.
It's part of the cultural. In day for the cultural in Costa Rica is declared for the UNESCO. The church of Sachi, the colors are so beautiful. Then it's a Gothic architecture in Spain.
Jag finns firman äger det där.
Then excellent. Valley, Main, San Ramon.
San Ramon.
San Ramon.
It's
Night city with 100,000 persons. More for agricultural, industrial. Very nice. Land of the president. Right now. Right here.
Ja, gut.
New projects of the government in the housing authority.
Ja, det har varit super från regeringen.
US behind the
Ja, gut.
Small communities.
Und die wohnen selber auf der Straße. Krass.
ja, genau. Was ist Puntazzo? Puntazzo.
On the red side, this is a factory of tuna.
Was? Tuna fish. Oder was?
Fresh tuna from the ocean.
Ah. Was ist das Planta de Tramamiento Aguas Wasser?
Peach. A lot of peach. The nursery like peach there. It's just protocolo.
Das ist gut. Das ist eben die Idee von der einfach hochheben, wenn er
But to finish the tour, the cruise, to finish the tour, I want you to bring applause to Mr. Jaime. He did a really good job. Jaime, thank you. Muchas gracias, man.
Ito yung boulevard nila,
He
yung
did a
park.
really good job,
Maganda naman.
actually, and
Ito yung beach nila. Hindi talaga kaputian.
for me, and I hope so. You learn, you enjoy your coffee in the future. Remember,
Yes,
you will drink coffee again. Remember Costa Rica, and remember Norman, the crazy guy Norman. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Blessed, enjoy your trip, And sorry, but tomorrow we will have barbecue and you are not. One day.